What's up YouTube, it's Rollcramp BMX, and here I got a bike trick for you guys of another bike I bought off a friend. I bought this bike for $250 and he basically quit biking, so he was selling his bike and I bought it off him. It's got the frame, it's a Sunday. I got two Sunday frames now. Here goes my bike currently. I put all my Dancom parts on. Give you guys a brief look at that. Alright, back to this bike. So basically it's a Sunday second wave frame. It's got the waves at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see it because the frame's black and it's a flat black as well. It's got Sunday written in the back. Alright, so starting off up top, it's got ODI Super Soft grips. It's got ODI written right there. It's got Blue Odyssey Parins. It's got the Odyssey Lumberjack bars XL. It's got a Sunday free stem. So Sunday bike written over there and Sunday on the top cap. Like I mentioned at the start, it's got a Sunday second wave frame. It's got We the People forks, the We the People helium forks. Coming down to the front rim, it's a Eclat Tech hub laced to an Eclat outer. It's a chrome outer rim. What's nice about this hub is it's interlaced. Look at that. The spokes actually go in through the hub to the thing, which is pretty amazing. I was gonna plan on keeping this front hub, but I might keep it because the way it's laced, it's pretty good. So basically, it's a female axle, 3/8, and it's laced with an Eclat outer, wrapped around with a Fly tire. I'm not sure what type it is, but it's a Fly tire. The headset, I don't know what it is, but it's been flipped. My friend, he actually flipped it, since if the bike was ever to be stolen, he'd know, because now a lot of people run their head dust cap upside down. So that's that. Come towards the middle of the bike. It's got a Madeira pivotal seat. It's got the M right there. It's all black. It's actually pretty soft. It's got a stock seat post. I'm not sure what it is, and it's got a stolen seat clamp. Come down to the cranks. It's got some Primo hollow bites. Primo right there in the red. And it's got a some Colony PC pedals. They're pretty slim actually. It's got a Kink sprocket 25 tooth. It's got a KMC Z chain all around. It's kind of like a goldish color. Super clean. It's almost brand new. Actually, it is brand new. Coming towards the back, main reason why I felt like buying the bike was the Primo Mix hub. And you guys are probably wondering, yo, why don't you already have a Primo Mix? But I do, but mine's is a right hand drive, and this right here is left hand. So I'll be keeping this back hub, and it's laced to a Primo 7000 series. It's the 7 series. It's black. The rim was painted black since my friend was really annoyed by the white look, and then there's no other white parts on the bike, so he basically painted the outer. Then it's wrapped around with a Fit-A-Fave tire in 2.3 black tire, and it's basically it. It's a full bike. The other side, the bottom bracket doesn't really have an official bottom bracket, it's just spacers. So yeah, this is basically the bike. Primo written right there. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, and yeah, I'll be making a redo on how to win 80 video, and it'll be coming out soon. So thank you guys for watching. Peace.